Hi, today I will be reviewing the Sailor Pro Gear Slim. And this is part of the special edition Fairy Tale line. So they released 4 colors. I have the Dragon Palace color, which is a lovely mint green with golden trim and golden sparkle. There are 3 other colors. There is a red. They all have a metallic shimmer in them as well, and gold trim. There is a Princess Kaguya, which is a brighter red. There is a Vega, which is a navy blue, and they have a Grateful Crane, which is a sky blue. So I fell in love with this as soon as I saw it online, and I was looking at this non-stop. It's just so gorgeous, and I really like the look of these sailors as well. I think they're classic and beautiful. I really enjoy this pen. I think the design is absolutely stunning. I love how they always come out with new colors, and I know that this pen is a little small for most people, or some people, and they want to use it posted. This is perfect for me. As you can see, I have small hands, so I don't need to do that, and it is a very light pen. So when you're holding it here, there is a metal section, and the inside of the pen is hollow, so it is just the resin. So it is very light, and because of this metal section right here, and that's the only place where there's metal, it's very balanced because you're holding the only heavy part, so you can write very comfortably with this. And you can write with this with long periods of time and you will not get tired. This is made of a resin material. As you can see, it is a little bit see-through in the light, which I think is really beautiful. It feels really nice to the touch, and it does feel pretty luxurious, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. I don't even know how to put it into words, and in person it's even better. This nib is absolutely beautiful as well. It is a 14 karat gold nib, and it is the hard medium fine, which is the only nib size a lot of Sailor special editions come in. And it has some beautiful scroll work and engravings. It says 1911. It has their little anchor logo, and then it says 585. It says 585 and then Sailor. So it's lovely. Yeah, it feels like a pretty sturdy body. This pen is 115 millimeters uncapped, and it is 145 millimeters posted. So with this cap on the end. So posted, most people should not have a problem with this pen. It should fit perfectly. I know some people have an issue with it unposted, but for smaller hands, and I have exceptionally small hands, this is absolutely perfect. It is just a stunning pen all around. It is pretty light, so you could write with this 4 hours, and that is important for me. So they have these gold bands right here at the section that screws off, right here at the end, and then of course on the cap as well, 2 bands right here and 1 at the top. I think this design looks super balanced, pretty minimalistic, but at the same time just luxurious and put together. I think it's really, really stunning, and Sailor has definitely made a name for itself, offering superior products. And they really are gonna get me with all those seasonal releases, because I cannot resist a beautiful color like this. Yeah, I think that's about all I had to say. Let's just get into writing. This is the Sailor Probier Slim with the hard medium fine nib, and it is a 14 karat gold nib. This is the diamine steel blue. And emerald inks mixed up to get a color closer to this pen. I think I did a pretty good job. And even though it is a 14 karat gold nib, you are not going to get much flex out of this, hence the hard. As you can see, you're not going to get much line variation when you write, but when you write, there is a very pleasant sensation. And as you can see, there is absolutely no skipping. It is absolutely stellar. As you can hear, there is a slight bit of feedback, but I feel like that is partially because the nib is so fine. People liken the Sailor feedback to a writing with a graphite pencil. I don't really get that sensation when I write with this. It is incredibly smooth. And there is a slight bit of feedback, but to me it doesn't really feel like a pencil feedback. It is very pleasant though, because it doesn't feel scratchy or anything like that. It just lets you know that you are writing with a fountain pen, and I really, really like that sensation. Hence why I use fountain pens. So I have nothing but good things to say about this. I love the way that it writes. My specific model is quite for a nib size this small. Let me try to do it. As you can see, it's not anything crazy, but it is a fair bit wet, especially for this small of a nib. This is almost like a Western extra fine in my standards. It is a very thin line, and I really, really enjoy it. I think the feedback actually helps you write neater. This is not a good representation, but yes, I very much enjoy this pen, and I really only have good things to say about it. It's absolutely stunning, and as you can see, there's even glitter up in this section, just everywhere. The gold bands, I think all of these accents are absolutely beautiful. Everything about this pen is beautiful, and Sailor nibs are supposed to be one of the best, if not the best, nib in the world. So I hope I could help you with this review. I decided to do this because I didn't really see any people, consumers reviewing this line, so I really wanted to try to get a video and show the quality control on this line, which of course it's Sailor, so it probably is great, and that's probably why no one's asking any questions, but it is very, very stunning, and from what I can see, it is an absolute phenomenal writer. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.